Okay, so I've got some pretty insane news. So recently I made the new goal that I want to become a traditionally published author so that I can reach more people with my message of empowerment and helping people to start their own businesses. So here's what happened. My first book was self-published, and when we first published it, it sold about 3,000 copies. So recently, when I made this big bad goal for myself to get a traditionally published book with a traditional publishing house, I decided to ask around and to find out what is involved. Here's what I learned. I learned that for traditional publishing houses to take you seriously, if you've already had something published, you need to show that you can move copies, 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 copies. So I was told that one of the very best things I could do is to try and sell more copies of my existing book. So a couple of weeks ago, we started a big marketing push to get more people to buy my book. And I am so thrilled and excited that we have moved enough copies that I was listed yesterday as the top 3 nonfiction bestseller for the Wall Street Journal. Best-selling books week of April 29th, and there I am in 3rd place with the No Fluff Business. I had no clue that we would have these kinds of results, so I'm so thrilled. Now, if you guys want to continue to hear more about my journey to become a traditionally published author, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.